Hey, did you get your solid axle yet?
No, it's at Dickie's house. I need to have him put it in.
Well, when you do, I'm going to stomp your shit heavy.
Bullshit, I have a ported and pulleyed Cobra, and it's the best car in town. That is why I bought it.
You might beat me if Dickie drives it.
Well, yeah, of course. I drive like my hot mom in mischiefs and the car bucks out of control.
It's because you are too cool for a extra large shirt.
If you were a real man, you wouldn't use the spray. Spray is for fake horsepower cars. My car is all natural. You will miss a shift when you hear that Eaton scream.
Are you fucking kidding me? You must be crazy if you think I will race a pulleyed Cobra without my spray.
You don't even know how good I'm getting at shifting. I can get rubber in second now, fucking John Force style.
Yeah, well, I have 410s and a makeshift 3-inch dual exhaust. I can pretty much run 9 seconds in the quarter mile, like Dave Roma.
Yeah, well, whatever. You never been in a real car race, so you don't know I had a Pro-Charged GT before this 2003 Cobra, and I was awesome in it with the windows blacked out.
Oh, you mean that one that threw a rod out of the block?
I didn't have cats on it, and that is why the tune was off.
No, you drove it around in second gear all day and it finally let go.
Yeah, well, Haas rear end is leaking on that Chevy. That is typical GM for you, haha.
We will settle this soon, mama's boy, then we will know who owns Newark.
Yeah, well, we will. Then we'll get my dad's truck and hook up the chains, because you know it is a stroker, right?